Hi beautiful people, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Well, today it's a bit of a different video because look where I am. I'm at the airport. I'm on my way to WordCamp Europe. I'm super excited and I will be bringing you with me all the way through the 2 days that I'll be there, and I'm super excited. So, well, let's see what comes out of it. Okay, so that was weird because they asked us to go to gate 8, which is to go outside of Europe, when we wanted to go to actually Poland, which is still in the EU. So we should not have to check our passports, etc., etc. But for some reason, while I was waiting there, they changed the gate, so now we have no gate and our flight is already delayed of 25 minutes. Awesome. So we're finally on the way to the plane, which is this one. I'll see you on the other side. I'm on my way to day 1 of WordCamp. It's gonna be super exciting. Meet a lot of people. The town is absolutely amazing. I invite everyone here to come visit Krakow. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful town. And we had nice food last night. I met my best friend. Yeah, I am so pumped for the day. So guys, I hope you're too. And I'll see you when I'm at the venue. Bye guys. We had our first morning here at WordCamp. It was absolutely amazing, made so many people. There is really, really cool things coming up in the WordPress world. I will be having some interviews today, tomorrow, etc. So I can talk about all these things and present you the different things I've been discovering. Hi beautiful people, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 of WordCamp Europe. It's been an amazing experience so far. Last night I got invited at the Fremius party. Thank you Fremius for inviting me. It was absolutely amazing. And then we got into the second party of the night, which was hosted by a host, Yoast and Bluehost. It was also really great party, great music, great people. And today we have a lot of interviews. On this note, I'm gonna go further and I will see you later. If you would have to describe your experience at WordCamp 2026 in one sentence.
Oh, this is a hard one. I would say new experience, new people, and tired.
I think yes,
Connection.
Yeah, yeah.
It would be a lot of little pushes to better tomorrow.
I think it's a very good place where you can grow and meet new people.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. She stole your sentence. She stole your sentence.
She stole mine as well.
Well, at least you're all agreeing on the same one, so that's good.
It's a very good place where you can find the cooperation partners.
I'm pretty new to this, and I get a new experience and a lot of new information. So it was a pretty good experience.
So my experience of WordCamp Europe 2026 is of being able to help people, directing people to the right locations. We took in a couple of thousand people for registration, and we just want to make sure that everyone has a fantastic experience.
Buzzing. Yeah, it's overall a great experience, like every year, because as a long time attendee and now contributor, I'm like always amazed of like all the like cultural differences and like everyone getting together and having a good time.
So in one sentence,
Yeah,
the best one yet.
amazing.
Great insights and great people.
Was my experience in Krakow in WordCamp. That's my first WordCamp, and it has been
Okay.
very interesting and full of meeting very interesting people.
Nice internship.
I mean, it's been amazing.
It was simply magic, as
Magic.
usual.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Have a
to
good
you.
evening. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.
Turn the speakers up, got the top down, my record's on. Pick my people up, going downtown. The night is young. Go the distance. Go the distance. Let's ride. Let's ride. It's a new way.
Stage.
It's a new way. Put my lipstick on, it's that crimson type I like. Turn the heaters up, now we sweat it out. Yeah, in it right. Go the distance. Go the distance. Let's ride. Let's ride. It's a new way. Let's ride. Let's ride. It's a new way. Go the distance. Go the distance.